G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Today I've got a quick unboxing of the LG Ultragear OLED 45-inch curved monitor. All right, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing with this unboxing is really quite interesting is they've got this sign here that says front, which makes me think that, okay, they want me to open this side, even though the writing would be back to front then. But then it's got a note here that says, do not open here. So it's a bit confusing. I guess I'll go with the non-front, the back, it doesn't say do not open on this side. So pretty exciting panel, this one. It's pretty huge. Check out some of these stats. 240 Hertz refresh rate, 0.03 milliseconds. 21:9 aspect ratio, 3440 by 1440. This thing should be really impressive. Let's see what it looks like. All right, okay, we've got foam. Disappointing. Thought we'll pass that. Apparently not. Okay, we've got an HDMI cable here. In here we have, I'm coming a bit closer, you can see, hell of a power brick. Look at the size of that. Oh, it weighs a ton too. Okay, this big screen, big power, I guess. Far out. A couple more cables in here. We've got it's a display port and USB-C to go with this humongous power block. All right. And we're going to have some kickstand in here. So if you can see that some of the things have been opened before, that's just because it has been to another journalist before me to get reviewed. So everything's in here. It's just some of it's out of its packaging already. That's going to be a cable organizer at the back of the stand, I would suspect. That's the stand. Wow. God, that's going to take up a lot of your desk, isn't it? Okay, we'll see how we go. Another bit of stand in here by the looks of it. What do we got? Okay, so that's the rest of the stand. So that's going to go to the back of the screen. That's going to go into the back of that little bit down there. Looks like it'll be pretty straightforward. It's got quite a, see the bowl there? It's got quite a bit of movement, which is good. All right. And now I've got the monitor itself. Let's have a look inside. There's 800R curvature on this. Wow, it's so curved. You see that? Look how curved it is. It's like an orange peel. Well, speaking of which, I'm going to take a bite out of this orange peel. Get stuck into it. I loved curved monitors. I love big curved monitors, but it's going to be interesting to see whether this one takes up too much desk real estate and also whether it's just too curved for non-gaming related activities, which is, to be honest, the fair amount of the time, most of the time that I'll be using it for. Okay, anyway, that's a quick unboxing of the 45-inch Ultragear OLED from LG. A gaming monitor / workstation monitor. We're going to put this through its paces. Make sure you keep an eye on the channel. There will be a review going up soon. Until next time, I'll check you later. Yeah.